Guys, you see I'm a course today. So I'm gonna make, next time you hear my voice, you're not gonna hear me like this. I'm gonna make some medicine and I will upload a video and show you guys. I'm gonna make some ginger, some honey, some lemon juice, garlic. Hi guys, today I'm going to make meringue powder. So I'm about to pick the meringue now off the tree. So as you see now, I'm in my garden. So this is the meringue. This is the meringue, guys. So I'm going to wash it now and I'm going to put it to air dry. So I will show you people. Well, I'm going to wash the meringue now, as you see. Ensure that you wash the meringue. So I'm going to put it to dry. I'm going to put it to air dry. So I'm going to take off the leaves. Today I'm going to make meringue powder. You can use it for your tea, and the salad, in your soup, in your smoothies. And you can also use for ear oil. But I'm not gonna use this process doing the ear oil. I'm gonna update a video doing the oils to show you guys. Like so. Well, I take it to a dark place to dry, as you can see, and I have some already dry from last week. So this is it, and you can put it to dry for about 1 week or more, whatever time you have to do it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make the powder now. And I'm gonna beat the meringue now, as you see. Just the leaves. Yes guys, you can also use this grinder too, because I'm not using today to show you the difference, just to make the video to show you guys. But see there guys, see? Turning the powder. The mortar take a bit longer. Now guys, this is finished grinding. So I'm gonna pour it into this sieve here. to make up the sticks. See guys? See guys, moringa powder. You can use it for your tea. You can make it for, you can use it for face mask, whatever. Your hair, anything. You know, you know guys, moringa is a healing tree. It's a miracle tree. You can do about everything. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.